My biggest win so far is having the confidence in myself to tackle new projects that I would have set aside before because I was too afraid that I didn't think I was smart enough to do. My name is Christopher Scogin. I work as a cloud cyber defense analyst for Citibank, and part of doing that is automation and a lot of automation tools, as a lot of people know nowadays, are using Python, and I needed to, kind of step that up. I didn't go to school for computer science. I went to school for information technology and networking and a little bit of security. So that starts you off like on a completely different realm that a computer science student might take, especially like being comfortable, understanding certain terminologies that come with, learning a programming language in general and being comfortable with automation. Some of the biggest hurdles is trying to find someone to learn from that doesn't come from either like a half put together program or a YouTube video. It's very user-friendly. It has a very easy breakdown to find. I would probably say a good 50% of articles and 50% of video learning. It's a really good blend. It doesn't just sway one way or the other. It has a little bit for someone who likes to read more, as well as someone who comprehends a video better. And in the past, I would just write, I don't know, maybe a couple hundred lines of code, like one or 200 lines, and then test it out and be like, okay, well, I have to go debug this for like the next 2 days. I think it was just a few weeks ago. I was like, you know what? I'm going to sit down. I'm going to learn this. They have this available. And I watched the video series that's about it's less than an hour. And it really clicked like really fast that I could have saved myself probably accumulated of over a month's worth of debugging just in the past year. Working with my team, I have felt more comfortable being someone that people can come to for questions instead of being the person that has questions to go to someone. And enrolling in Real Python in the past couple of months has really just elevated that to, for my confidence level. It's not just to say like, oh yeah, I know everything. No, it's just the more reason that I'm more confident in saying, hey, yes, I can help you with your question. And if I don't know off the top of my head, I know exactly where I can go to find that answer. I would highly recommend Real Python to anybody who's wanting to take either the first step or the 50th step, into learning Python, because it's an overall platform that will help all levels. They don't charge an arm and a leg for their platform. And if you have questions or support issues, they will reach out to you fairly quickly too. So it has a little bit of everything that you're looking for. It has the education, it has articles, it has videos, and it has a community that is the biggest part.